Question answer chapter 10 class 8th. Question number 1. Why is pituitary gland called the master gland? Children, I hope you know this answer. Pituitary gland controls the activity of all other endocrine glands. So it is called master gland. Now come to question number 2. What are hormones? Answer. Animals and human body needs certain chemicals for proper growth and development. These chemicals are called hormones. These chemicals are secreted in our body in very small amount by the different glands present in our body. Question number 3. Define menarche and menopause. Menarche. The first menstrual flow begins at puberty and this is called menarche. The first menstrual flow when it starts at the puberty, then it is called menarche. Menopause. The menstrual cycle stops at the age of about 45 to 50 years and a female is no longer reproductive. Then this is called menopause. When the menopause takes place, then the female reproductive system stops its functioning. Now, short answer type question. Question number 1. What is meant by endocrine system? Its answer. Endocrine system includes different endocrine glands present in the body which secrete hormones and which control various life processes like growth, development, sugar metabolism, etc. Children, these are ductless gland and their secretion, we can say hormone, directly mix with the blood. They power their secretion directly into the blood stream. Question number 2. Name 4 changes that occur at puberty in boys and girls. Children, in this question you have to mention 4 changes which are taking place in the boys and girls at puberty. Now come to its answer. Changes in males at puberty. These are deepening of voice. The voice become very deep. Muscles development take place. Growth of pubic hair and hair on face and other parts of the body. And changes in females at puberty. So these are enlargement of breast, development of the hips become more rounded, growth of the pubic hair take place, voice becomes shrill, the pitch of the voice increases, and in girls beginning of the menstrual cycle take place. One changes which is commonly seen in both boys and girls, that is their sweat and sebaceous gland become active and the acne and the pimple they starts appearing on the face. Question 3. Name the male and female sex hormone secreted during puberty. Answer. 2 hormones secreted during puberty. These are testosterone in male and estrogen in female. Now the next question is, what is menstruation? Answer. If fertilization does not take place, then the mature egg released from ovary withers away, break down and get removed from the body along with uterine lining as well as the blood, and this process is called menstruation. In menstruation, the uterine lining which prepare itself for getting the fertilized egg, now this also break down and this remove from the vagina of the female body in the form of blood and mucus.